Hi Vaishal ma'am, good evening. Actually, I took this course that you also know. It was very effective on me. So before coming enrolling this course, I know about me. So I was totally uh, unable to control my emotions even while interacting with others also. My emotions are totally not in control. Actually, based upon my past situations, what I faced, it totally I was unable to interact with others also. So I have that shy feeling, lack of confidence, and I had a pleasing character. Means I used to wait approval for others, whatever I was doing. So it is very hurdles for me. I know what I am doing is it is not correct, but I don't know how to rectify that, and I don't know how to move towards in a positive way. So when I enrolled your course, first I took CBT. So I saw drastic changes in my mind. After that, I took positive psychotherapy. It has also impacted me a lot. After that, I enrolled for diploma also. So my changes is totally because of your classes, and I did homework. Even I didn't miss one homework also. So it brings me a lot of changes. Now I'm enjoying my life as per my wish. I think it will continue for the future also. If I need any help, again I will enroll your courses what you are conducting. So it is very helpful for me. So now I am speaking this much of peacefully means that is only because of your classes. Previously I was not like this. So one more thing I would like to say here is I took courses from many people. So you know everyone not at all reaching my expectations. The way they are teaching me is totally zero. That is not a correct way to teach. And their content what they are sharing, it is not in depth. If I want to say about them is 10th class children, they can prepare that type of PPT. So they are saying that they have 8 years of experience, 8 plus years, but still their knowledge on psychology is totally zero. Out of 20, for 19 people, I gave 0 rating out of 10. Even I informed to them their way of teaching is totally not good, and it is worst also. And their content, what they are saying, there is no depth also. So even when I tried your course also, okay, let's try with CBT. If I like, then again we'll go further courses. So with the CBT only, I totally you not reached your expectations means you are beyond my expectations. That is what I can say. I have one mental frame. This is what I'm expecting from this course or from this psychologist. When I attend this course, you are beyond my expectations. What I'm expecting, you are giving more than I want. That is what I am expecting from a course or from a psychologist. So that's why instead of liking your classes, I love your classes. So whenever I have a doubt also, you are clearing my doubts. You will spend so much of time accepting few cases. Even I irritated you many times to clear my doubts. uh, Maybe I know that you got irritation also, but still as a student, if you get angry or if you get irritation also, I won't leave you. I want to clear my doubts. But you gave very good clarity. You spend much of time not only in this course, and if I ask any other psychology related topics also, you cleared about that. I know about how you show empathy on me. So I spent very less amount on your course, but the satisfaction I got from your course is, it is I can say in lakhs only. So I was very happy. This I can say totally it is because of your teachings and your course. And people who are in trouble, unable to get a positive thoughts, like me, if anyone is there means, I think we have your teachings are to reach for them also. So don't give up. You are going in a good way. So I think it will reach many people in your lifetime. So that's it from my end. Thank you so much.